Hello. So today I'm back at the button. So okay, the worst thing that happens that goes answering. Okay, I'll let them decide. Oh, it's just a normal person. He's so nice. Okay, I just got a big head, so and then I died, and I respawned here. Anyways, thank you for 12 subscribers. For now, please subscribe so I will get more subscribers, and you guys can tell me what other games I should do and what videos I should react to. I'm going to make a playlist that I react to other people's videos, so make sure to check that out as well. You guys could tell me in the comments of my latest video on what I should react to. So moving on with the game. One. Wait, what?
Two. It's 2 avocado. I'm gonna drop. Or maybe.
I think we shouldn't.
Last time we played, it dropped. Oh, come on. Last time we played, it dropped down.
Oh no, I have another bomb on my back for some reason. Nice, I could blow bubbles. Oh no, I think I fell. This is my channel, in case you're wondering. My channel name is Alan Blast. This is my channel. Just wait. I'll show you my channel picture. So this is my channel profile picture, in case you're wondering. So see if you can find me. Correct path. Okay. We have more than 1 minute to do this, so it's safe. Okay, let's press the button again. Okay. Wait, what's this thing on the ground? Oh no. Oh wait, everyone's getting smaller. Or is everything getting bigger? I'm not sure. Oh wait, yes, it writes everyone's getting smaller. Oh, we return back to normal size.
I handcrafted it myself.
So see, tell me if you want my volumes to be louder, because I'm not sure if it might be too loud or too soft. So tell me if you want it to be louder or softer. But right now I'm on 2 blocks, so it's not really loud. So tell me if you need it softer. Okay, I have to watch. I have to stand here and watch. So my username is Mr_16Qs, but you guys could search Alan with a capital A and Plaz with a capital P. Oh, this is just like red light, green light. Oh wait, I died, guys. So I'm at the site spectating. Come on, that person almost win. Okay, I'm not taking the bomb again like last time. I'll take away the music. I'll add the music, I'll make it a little softer. Okay, now what will happen? Looks like I have to blow the bubble gum by clicking on it. I have to blow as fast as I can. Oh wait, no, I'm starting to fly. Oh my god, I'm so high. Oh, my brother won. I'm really close to him, but he still won. He's way better than me in most games. Is it raining Doge heads? I think it is. Like what? Okay, press the button. Oh, I have to dodge lasers. Oh, this is fun. This is easy. Oh wait, no. Somebody still has the bubble gum. Am I a noob? I'll reset. I don't want to be a noob. Okay, yeah, I'm back to normal. My brother just left the game for some reason. So, I'll play one more match and that's the end of the video. Oh, I love speedruns. My brother played first before me, so he might have to stop playing. He set a timer for 1 hour. Oh, I fell. Anyways, that's the end of the video. This is the outro, so that's the end of the video, and bye.